Are you a retired reservist wondering how to secure excellent health care for yourself and your family? Navigating military health benefits can feel a bit like a puzzle, but we have the clear answers you need. To enroll in TRICARE Retired Reserve, or TRR, you need to purchase the plan through the beneficiary web enrollment website after receiving confirmation of your eligibility from the Department of Defense. It is crucial to act within 90 days of your eligibility date to avoid a gap in coverage. TRICARE Retired Reserve is a premium-based health care plan designed specifically for members of the Retired Reserve who are not yet eligible for full TRICARE benefits because they are under age 60. It provides comprehensive medical and pharmacy coverage for you and your eligible family members, bridging the gap until you reach the age for other TRICARE programs. The first step is receiving notification from the Department of Defense of your eligibility, which means you have met all requirements for retired pay at age 60, but are not yet that age. Once you have this confirmation, you will need to visit the beneficiary web enrollment website. On this site, you will select the option to purchase TRR and then proceed to choose your plan start date, which should ideally be 90 days from your eligibility date. You will then need to establish a payment method for your monthly premiums, which can be done through allotment or electronic funds transfer. Ensure all your family members are correctly listed and verify their eligibility as part of this process. A key insider tip is to understand your effective date. Your coverage typically begins on the first day of the month following your eligibility date, provided you enroll and pay your first premium within that 90-day window. If you miss this initial enrollment period, you can still enroll later, but your coverage will begin on the first day of the month after your application is received and processed. Additionally, remember to keep your DEERS record, the Defense Enrollment Eligibility Reporting System, up to date for all eligible family members. By following these straightforward steps and understanding the associated timelines, you can smoothly transition into TRICARE Retired Reserve. This ensures continuous, high-quality healthcare coverage for you and your loved ones, providing peace of mind as you continue your journey after active service.